this example, in the figure, the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced at 2 points E and D respectively. If bisectors BO and CO of triangle CBE and BCD respectively meet at point O, then prove that BOC is equal to 90 minus 1 by 2 BAC. BOC is equal to 90 degree minus 1 by 2 times BAC. Okay, that's what they have given. We have to prove that one. Okay, let us see once again. In the figure, the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced to the points E and D respectively. Okay, and if the bisectors BO and CO of angle CBE and angle BCD. Okay, CBE and BCD respectively meet at point O. They are meeting at point O. Then prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 minus 1 by 2 times BAC. Okay. Now let us see here to prove. No, so let us take the bisector ray. Okay, ray BO ray is the bisector. It's the bisector of angle CBE. Yes or no? Bisector of angle CBE. Therefore, we can write angle CBO is equal to 1 by 2 angle CBO. This angle is 1 by 2 times half of CBE. Is it not? Half of CBE. So, that is equal to 1 by 2 times CBE can be written as CBE is 180 minus y. 180 degree minus y. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 2 times 180 minus y, 1 by 2 times y. Okay, now 2 ones are 2 90s are, that is equal to 90 degree minus y by 2. Okay, this is y by 2. Let us call this as angle CBO is equal to, call that as 1. Now next is ray. Similarly, another ray we have here, CO. Okay, ray CO is the bisector of what? Tell me. Bisector of ray B. CO is the bisector of angle BCD. Okay, angle BCD. Bisector of angle BCD. Is it not? BCD. Therefore, BCD is equal to 1 by 2 times, BCO. Okay, BCO is equal to 1 by 2 times BCD. Understood? So that is equal to BCO is equal to 1 by 2 times 180 degree minus this Z. 1 by 2 times 180 minus this. So angle BCO, okay, let us write that side. Okay, so angle BCO is equal to 1 by 2 times 180 minus 1 by 2 times Z. That is equal to 90 degree minus Z by 2. Call this. Okay, now let us take a triangle here now, BOC. Triangle BOC, the sum of the angles is 180 now. So let us write that. In triangle BOC, angle B, angle BOC plus angle OCB plus angle OCB plus angle OBC is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. BOC, here BOC, here call this as 2. Let us call, 3. Okay, 3. Now substituting one and 2 in 3. 1 and 2 in 3. BCO, no, BCO, this is nothing but BCO. BCO is 90 minus Z by 2, and OBC or BOC, OCB is 90 minus Z, then BOC, OBC, so BOC plus OCB is 90 minus 90 degree minus Z by 2 plus OBC is 90 minus Y by 2. Okay, children, is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now BOC minus Z by 2 minus Y by 2 is equal to 180. 90 plus 90 is 180 minus 180. Okay. Now BOC, angle BOC is equal to this also, let us take that side, it will become plus Z by 2 plus Y by 2, and this will become 0 plus 0. Okay, we can leave that plus 0, don't get confusion here. Okay, so angle BOC is equal to 1 by 2 times Y plus Z. 1 by 2 times Y plus Z, all that is 4. Okay, now but know that but x plus y plus z, here x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z is equal to 180. The sum of the angles is 180 degree. Okay, x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Now let us take, here we have y plus z, no? So for that y plus z is equal to 180 minus x. 180 minus x. Okay children. Now therefore 4 becomes what? This one, BOC is equal to 1 by 2 times y plus z is 180 minus x. So that is equal to BOC is equal to 1 by 2 times 180 minus x by 2. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2 90s are, that is equal to 90 degree minus x by 2. 90 degree minus x by 2. So here x is nothing but the angle BOC is equal to 90 degree minus x is nothing but BAC. X is nothing but BAC. Okay, 1 by 2 times BAC. Okay, this is what we proved. Okay children, hence proved. BOC is equal to 90 minus 1 by 2 times BAC. Hence proved.